these settings will help you to effectively enjoy your mobile data, starting with the very first one, and that is mobile data change. Why do you need to know this? Is because we have people who have dual SIM card phones, so it will be necessary to know how you can be able to change your mobile data from one SIM card to another. So how are you going to be able to do that? You're going to come and tap on settings. So after tapping on settings, come and tap where there is network and internet. So after tapping there, then you come and tap on SIM cards here. So after that, you come and tap where there is mobile data right here. So after tapping on here, now you can be able to change either from Airtel to MTN or from MTN to Airtel, depending on which network has your mobile data. So after doing all that, you may find that your mobile data is not working as fast as you expected. So how can you be able to do that? You come and turn on flight mode for some few minutes, and then afterwards you turn it off. Now after doing that, you may find that now your mobile data gets done so fast than you expected. So how can you be able to do that or to fix it? Now you come and tap here. You come and tap on Google Play Store. You tap on Google Play Store right here. So after tapping on Google Play Store, you come and tap here. Come and tap on this icon here. Let me first show it. You tap on this icon here. So after tapping on this, you tap here like this. So after tapping on it, you come and tap on settings. So after tapping on settings, you come and tap where there is network and preference, this one here. So why do you need to do this? Is because you need to monitor how your apps are operating, and that is auto app update. Because when your data gets done, some apps may be auto updating when you don't know. So on this, we recommend that you do not tap on these upper things here. You only tap on these downward things here. Why? Because if you have your mobile data, your apps may be auto updating when you don't know. So we recommend you to use either to auto update over Wi-Fi, or don't choose to auto update your apps. And then when you have done all this, you may find that still your mobile data gets done when you don't know. Now you need to fix background data. How do you do that? You come and tap on settings right here. So when you tap on settings, you go where there is network and internet. Now on network and internet, then still choose to go where there is data usage here, such that you can know how your mobile data is getting done. So when you tap here, you can be in a position to see which apps are using a lot of your data. So like according to mine here, as you can see, you tap on where there is mobile data usage, this one here. So when you tap here, you can be in a position to see which apps are using a lot of data on your phone. So for example, me, I have YouTube and some other apps. So when I tap on YouTube, which uses a lot of data, you may find that it is using a lot of background data. Now I need to fix that background data. So how do you do that? You just choose to disable it, or you can choose to enable it. So just choose to disable it like this, and that means that your mobile data from background will be fixed. And now after doing that, there is WhatsApp, because a lot of people use WhatsApp. Now on WhatsApp you find that still, if you have done all that, you may find that your WhatsApp is using a lot of data. You don't know. So if you want to know how to fix how your mobile data gets done on WhatsApp, there is a link in the comment section. Click on it such that you can be able to know how you can fix that.